Let's take a look at the Batman TV series and see how many of these facts you may not know. 84 different word overlays were used during the fight scenes from BAM to Kapow. The Riddler was just a minor and forgettable villain in the comics. This series is responsible for turning him into one of the most popular villains in Batman's rogue gallery. The Batcave set was built on the exact spot where Skull Island Gate was located in the original King Kong, 1933. This was pointed out by a visitor to the set who has served as a technician on Kong. When the series premiered, Alfred had been killed off a few years earlier in the comic book series. However, when the producers announced that they intended to make Alfred a regular character, he was brought back to life in the comic book as well. Burgess Meredith had not smoked in 20 years when he was cast as the Penguin. He came up with the Penguin's distinctive squawking sound because the cigarettes were irritating his throat. Like his trademark quack, the Penguin's waddling was largely a result of improvisation by Burgess Meredith, as he found it difficult to stand and walk straight while wearing the rubber-padded fat suit that was part of his costume. The Batmobile was a customized 1955 Lincoln Futura, which had been used in the film It Started With a Kiss, 1959. According to Barris, there were 5 Batmobiles made during the 1966-1968 run of the Batman series. Frank Gershwin disliked wearing the Riddler skin-tight outfit, and a Riddler's business suit was designed for him to wear. This suit was later incorporated in the Batman comics. Marianne Mobley was the first choice to play Batgirl. Originally, the character was to have her own TV series, which would lead into Batman each week. Mr. Zero was renamed Mr. Freeze for the series. The name change eventually made its way into the comics as well. In the first season, Burt Ward, who played Robin, was paid $350 per week. Of all the villains portrayed on the television series, Mr. Freeze had the most actors portraying him: George Sanders, Otto Preminger, and Eli Walsh. Catwoman had 3 actresses as well: Julie Newmar, Eartha Kitt, and Lee Merriweather, who portrayed her in the movie version.